Hello everyone, this is Dee Bryant from Dee Bryant Inspired, and I just wanted to come to you tonight because I have a special request. I don't know if you know this, but I had the pleasure of interviewing Ruth Sacanay a couple months ago from the Philippines, and so Ruth is having a difficult time, and so I kind of wanted to share her video with you today. And so if there's anyone out there where you feel touched in your heart today to help Ruth Sacanay, I want you to please watch the video that's coming up next, and feel free and reach out to her through her PayPal email at ruthsacanay@gmail.com. It will be posted at the bottom of the screen at the end of the video. Anything that you can do to help Ruth Sacanay will be great. And so God bless you and thank you so much. Take good care. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
On the 16th day of December 2021, the middle portion of our country, more specifically the Visayas region, was gravely devastated by Typhoon Rai, locally known as Typhoon Odette. In this video, a few days before the landfall of the typhoon, hard rains occurred, so our place was hit with severe flash floods for almost 72 hours. Several houses, agricultural and farm products, and even domesticated animals were washed out due to the volume of the rising water from the river. It was such a nightmare, but what horrified us all the most was the total landfall of the typhoon in the dark evening of the 16th of December. We thought that it was the end of everything. Street posts and sturdy trunk of trees fell down. A number of houses were left totally wrecked because of the coconut and mango trees that fell off against the houses. One of them is ours, and many lives were lost. A few heartbreaking photos of my house are included in this video.